I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. My students have assigned seats in all my classes, but lately it's become a thing for several students to switch seats to see if I notice. At first, it seemed kind of funny and cute, so I let them get away with that. Now, I can't seem to get them to stop. What do you suggest? Couple things going on here. One is if you are really strict with that and that's your consistent, predictable classroom management that everybody always has an assigned seats, then you stick with it and you don't let it happen. So I think where you might have unraveled there is when it was cute at first. So letting it go. So now they're going to try to put something else. Oh, what else can we get away with? See where I'm going here? They want to know where the limit is. So you want to get the limit back. And so maybe a natural transition might be, instead of fighting them right now, it might be, well, as of January, you switch the entire seat, or maybe on Monday, you switch the seating pattern and you say to them all, okay, guys, fresh start. We have a new seating pattern. This is what it looks like. And then don't fall back and let that happen again. So stick with it, so don't let it just be cute, because it can be kind of fun. And that's what they're doing. They're just looking to see what they can do and what they can get away with. So if that's your consistent thing, say what you mean what you say, and stick by it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.